We see that through the mechanism of Newton, not only can we search and retrieve quality information, but it's able to delve into the deeper details in those records and produce back to us these meaningful insights, as we see here with this step-by-step synthetic procedure. It also can give us some meaningful comparisons. For example, this publication taught an alternative route via a methyl ester, and it's able to provide to us not only those steps and step-by-step procedures, but further down, we do see that there are key features for this synthesis. For example, we do see one of the key features of this synthesis includes an enantioselective step. Let's click into this. We have our usual experimental protocols and our step-by-step procedure, as well as characterization data.